Hello everyone, this is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me, and today you see I'm outside. I am participating in this 7-day, 5-minute cleaning challenge. So today, guys, I'm doing this back door. So if you're interested in seeing how all this turns out, stick around. I am in Houston, and it's a little chilly out here today. That's why I have on this light jacket. So bear with me, guys, as I start my cleaning project. Okay, guys, I finished my back door area. I can take that out. Okay, guys, I finished the back door area. You see, I was sweeping some. So let me give you a closer look. Okay, guys, here's the back door. I swept up around the mat, got rid of the trash that was there. It's right there. It's going to the trash can as soon as I walk around the side of the house. And here's a look of the back door, being scrubbed and cleaned. It's white again. Does need some touch-up paint. Whoever painted originally did not know what they were doing. But it does actually need touch-up. But it is cool, so the paint, it's not good to paint in cold weather. So most likely I will be painting it in the spring. So guys, this is Stephanie, and if you like my content of my 5-day, 7-minute challenge, you know what to do, guys. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. And also, if you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, why don't you click that subscribe button down below? It will, and also next to it is a notification bell that will let you know every time I upload a video. And you can keep up with your girl. Yes. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.